Hey, we're going to make something out of this. This is called Prahok. What that is fermented fish. It could be fermented up to 3 years. That's the best quality. And we're going to make something out of it. Well, welcome back to Ottoman Asia foodie style. Huh? Surprise, huh? Well, we're going to make a fermented fish dipping sauce. Okay, you dip your veggies in it. Just an alternative to chips and salsa while you're watching the big game. I hope you like this one. First off, we're going to get some ingredients for it. I'm not going to make this wet market video, but those are the stuff that we're going to be dipping in it. That's kind of herby, soury, and we're going to get a few more things. That really, Vanna was telling me that's just like a green bean type thing. But anyway, we're going to add a whole bunch of stuff. And those are snake cucumbers and something else. We're going to be that's the dipping stuff. I know what this is. This is lemongrass. You can make a really good tea out of it. Put a little bit of rose hips in it, and but I don't know how they can figure out how do you select the best one. I guess that's just a little bit above my pay grade there. But the girls know. They absolutely know. Oh yeah. And this is what they're going to be dipping into the fish paste they're going to make. And first we need some banana leaves. And what do we need banana leaves for? Well, I'll let you know here real soon. Okay, we just got a lot of slicing and dicing and chopping to do. There's some dried fish. Fish is already in the Prahok, but we're going to add some more. And I'll just go along as Vanna's doing this. Like I said, we're going to do a lot of chopping. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of chopping on that, but that's just a regular leaf, like I don't know, like it's just an herb, a little bit sour, I guess, as she was saying. But we're going to be adding all kinds of stuff in it. Couldn't really figure out what this is, man root or something, ginseng or something. I'm not too sure. Translations weren't all that great. And of course the lemongrass. That stuff is amazing. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And you can see here, I'll get through the chopping here. She chops it really, really fine, and then we're going to do some more stuff with that here in a bit. And this is the tamarind. I don't know why it's sticky, but it's like a fruit that grows on a tree. And we just happen to have tamarind. We just happen to have one of them trees right outside of our door. How handy is that, huh? Okay, now there's the Prahok, the fermented fish, salty, spicy. I've tasted it. I don't want to taste it again. It's pretty bad, but she's going to chop it up, make sure it's all dead. And going to fold it up, and we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff with that. Okay. Now, in the meantime, we're going to get our charcoals started with these coconut husks. And now she's going to take some garlic, some red hot chili peppers. No, not the band. And some of that lemongrass, and just kind of roast it a bit, get the flavors running, and yeah, get it really nice. That's a really unique combination. Okay, that's the Prahok there. Okay. So you're wondering why we're like wrapping it up? No, it's not going to be a Christmas gift. I wouldn't want it, but that's why. We're going to heat it up over the coals there and get all the flavors and aroma, which is a very pungent aroma, going on. And we're also going to add some of this very dried small fish. Get that on the Barbie too.
Cut.
Yeah, we're gonna get them all going there. Get more.
I like small fish. Small fish and the small the ball. Big fish and the big.
Okay, now there's the mortar and pestle. I call that the Donkey Kong machine. I'm gonna crush that stuff up, and you can see how brittle this fish is. Very, very dry. We're going to be adding that and chop it up in the Donkey Kong machine. That's pretty dry. It crunches up real quick. And when Vanna's using this particular kitchen appliance, I don't get her mad. She might hit me with that baseball bat. Okay, now we're those roasted stuff that we did. We're gonna throw it in there and crunch that stuff up too. The garlic and the lemongrass and the chili peppers, and yeah, we're gonna get them nice and chopped up. And this is the tamarind. I don't know why it's kind of sticky, but it is. And yeah, have you ever wondered, on recipes, how does somebody think of this? MSG? MSG is in everything in Cambodia. And some sugar, make it sweeter. Well, we're going to make it sweeter later on too.
Oh. Good smell.
If you only had smell-o-vision right now. Don't believe her, it's not a good smell.
I like smell.
Yeah. It's quite fishy and yeah, very spicy.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Spicy.
I will never eat it again.
The sour.
Yes, and sour.
And Khmer sugar.
Yeah, that's very sweet. It's like a sweet molasses, almost like caramel. Very sweet, and it's going to get gooey when she mixes that stuff together. Yeah. How do they think of these things, huh? But yeah, it's going on good. Getting there. This here is a banana flower. Kind of hangs on a tree like that, and that's where the bananas would be growing. And there's a whole bunch of baby bananas in there. I'll show you here in just a sec. If you peel the petal down, you'll see baby bananas there. It'll be sitting like this on the tree, and when this falls off, then the baby bananas start to grow, and they'll just keep on growing more and more and more. And this, my friend, is a bunch of baby bananas. Huh? Did you ever know that? I sure didn't until I moved to Cambodia. So basically what we have here is that's like a dip. And we like to dip these different vegetables into the Prahok mixture with other things. And it's very sweet, very sour, and very spicy, and very fishy. Okay. Okay, this could be just like a snack or friends over, and just like I said, it's a dip. Okay, look at that crunch, crunch. Okay, what is this called?
And bok con tui hes.
Okay.
Pizza Khmer con tui hes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's sweet and sour and hot and
Yes.
fishy.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngon.
Well, how'd you like that, Foodie? I hope it made you hungry. And of course, if you're still here, you're my #1 fans, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.